Hi everyone, welcome back. Before we continue on the outline lecture, I just want to mention a really cool thing you can do in the properties panel. In the properties panel, when you are working on some type of text and you click these three dots and it opens this expression editor, there's a really cool find and replace feature. Just like you can do find and replace in Microsoft Word, you can do the same thing here. So you click Control F and you'll see you get this really fancy little widget which pops up here. What you can do is you can search for a certain expression, and if you click this little arrow, you can also replace that expression with whatever text you want. Let's say, for instance, we're only interested in finding text. Let's say we want to find the word human and type it here. I'm just going to keep all these unchecked for now. So you'll see if I search the word human, I'm able to find the word human and it highlights the word in orange for us. Now, let's say we want it to be more case sensitive. We could check this. And now by checking this match case button, you'll see it's not able to find the word human because we used a lowercase h, but we're searching for an uppercase h. Whereas if you're not too fussy on searching with the case, you can uncheck that and it'll be able to find it. Another cool thing is searching for specific words. So let's say we're searching for the word HUM. We'll find the HUM, but if we want it to be a full word, we can check this match whole word, and you'll see then it's not able to find it. The only way it'll find the word HUM is if it's either the first word, the last word, or it has a space on the left or the right of it. So if I put a space on the right of the M, you'll see now it is able to find it and it highlights it in orange. So that's what this does over here. There's also these other two less used features, regular expressions and search up. We will be learning regular expressions in detail later on in the course in robot number 6. Another cool thing you can do is you can search a portion of your expression instead of the whole document. So setting it to documents will search everything. If we set it to selection, it'll only search the highlighted region. So for example, if I highlight that portion and then I click this arrow, find next, you'll see that it doesn't find the word hum. But if I highlight this right-hand side part, and then I click the arrow, you'll see it then is able to find it as it highlights it in orange. So that's what these two different options are. Then if I want to say, let me just delete this space, take it back to human. If I want to use a find and replace feature, I can click this little arrow and I can replace the word human with the word robot. And then if I click this button, it'll replace the next found value. If I press this button, it'll replace all of them. So if I press this, you'll see it now changes the word to I am a robot. So let's say we had the word robot in a few places, like I, human, am a human. And we wanted to change the word human to robot. We can simply press this button and we'll change the first one. There you go. And then we can press it again and it'll change the second one. So it works from left to right. And then to close this, you can just click that close button or press escape on your keyboard. So that is all for using that find and replace little widget. It's quite useful. That is all for this lecture, and we'll continue with the outline panel in the next.